Hello and welcome to another update video about SEI. The SEI chart is still in this wave 4 correction as it seems. Okay, it's a very interesting structure. It's quite clear, I should say. Okay, it is probably an ending diagonal here, so it is always a little messy. That's what they are, ending diagonals. The idea is that in the preferred scenario, a wave 4 bottomed here, larger degree wave 4 bottomed here on the 23rd of January. It's a low point that many other cryptos also used basically to, well, it's a day on which most other coins or charts form the local low. We had then here an ABC structure in wave 1, an ABC structure in wave 2, an ABC structure in wave 3. It reached a little higher than the first ideal target. That's good. Okay, a little higher is always indicating further strength. Surely this could be a high B wave in the alternative scenario because it's only a 3-wave move to the upside, but it counts better as a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 in a diagonal. Then we could now be in this wave 4 correction. We've been talking about that for the last few days. And yeah, I mean, this wave 4 is currently happening. It's unfolding. It's always a little messy and sideways oriented, but that's what a wave 4 does, you know, and you have a lot of overlapping price action in such a wave 4, and it's good. It's at least it is not going down impulsively. That's good. And so far, I'm tracking just the standard ABC structure here in wave 4. It's basically wave 4 of the larger degree third wave. And yeah, I mean, this wave 4 might be in the C wave now, might be in the C wave. To confirm that, I need to see a break below the B wave, the A wave low, or at least it should get into this region around 88 cents. Because can you see that the B wave actually, I think it did slightly overshoot, or at least it was the same high point. Bit difficult to see here right now. Yeah, it did actually overshoot a little bit. So that means that we most likely deal with a flat correction. So probably a running flat in which the C wave ends slightly above A. Expanded flats allow for the C wave to end slightly below A. That doesn't really matter so much. The support area matters. That's really what matters, because in the current scenario, a wave 4 shouldn't break below 72 cents. And we're far away from that level at the moment. But as we go a little lower, there's a good chance of finding support at 90 cents, 82.8, 77.4, or even 72.3. Even though I have to say, ideally, we don't even go down to that 72 cent level, which represents the golden ratio level, the 61.8 retracement. Ideally, the fourth wave sort of stops in this region, okay? It's possible that a triangle pattern unfolds here as well. Wave 4 structures can be triangles. In this case, we would just see further sideways action in 5 waves and not complete the correction after 3 waves. The structure would be A wave down, B wave up, C wave down. Ideally, the C wave would form a higher low. Then an E wave, no, sorry, then ABCD, yeah, that's how it should work. See, then the D wave should be a lower high and an E wave should be a higher low. That's what I see potentially happening here. Obviously too early to confirm a triangle, but it's always worth to be on the lookout for a triangle in a wave 4, at least to consider it in the background. And yeah, it might be that this wave 4 is, well, after one more low, it could be complete. But if after that one more low, which I'm counting obviously here as an ABC structure, if after that one more low, the price doesn't break out and is forming instead a lower high, then it might be a triangle. But overall, a bullish structure. I think it would look better with one more high, so I still consider the option here as my primary scenario that a 5th wave here in white is outstanding, and it should target, well, minimally $1.07, which is 1 fib level higher than where the third ended. Better would be, however, here the $1.21 level. And this would be a little bit more reliable. But yeah, basically I'm just watching for this correction to finish, ideally before breaking below 77.4 cents. Okay, we can give it space even down to the golden ratio level, but you can already see it. by that time we will have broken to the downside of the trend channel. That already indicates weakness. So yeah, bullish chart still watching for higher. No evidence the overall uptrend is over. I see the current move down simply as a corrective pullback. Support levels were mentioned. Next upside target as well. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.